Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play TFT or Teamfight Tactics PBE on your PC. So of course, the first thing that you'd like to do after opening your PC, you'll have to go and open your TFT game. So if you have it downloaded, this will be great. But if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through the right client. And if you have even the right client, that will be cool. But if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through whatever browser you're using. Just go to whatever browser you have, go to the URL section, simply type download right client. Once it's downloaded, you will have to go and open it up, install it, of course, then open it up. With your regular way, you can usually just go and open it through your desktop. And once it's open, you will find yourself in this home screen or this main screen. Of course, here you'll find the games that's already downloaded into your PC. So if you find the Teamfight Tactics, that will be cool. If you don't, you'll have to scroll down a bit until you find these all games and make sure to click on Teamfight Tactics. Of course, if you want to download it, you can just go and click here on this three dots. Of course, you'll not find play, you'll find install for you, and you'll be able to install it and the League of Legends if you want to play it on PC. And of course, you'll be able to play it on your phone even through if you can download it through App Store if you're using an iPhone, through Google Play if you're using an Android. But of course, in this game, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play PBE TFT or Teamfight Tactics on just the PC. So I don't know the procedure or the steps on your phone. So of course, if you want to play the TFT on PBE on your PC, you'll have to go into this My Games. Of course, if you downloaded the TFT on your PC, you'll find even the League of Legends with it, because you will have to play Teamfight Tactics through the League of Legends. So if you want to play PBE, you'll have to click at this League of Legends, and once you are here, make sure to click at this flash. Once you're here, you will find the League of Legends already selected for you. If it's selected, make sure to just go and change it into PBE. And as you can see, when I tried to select the League of Legends, they told me game available and available in my region, because the League of Legends account is not the same as League of Legends PBE. So you will have to create an account for League of Legends again, alone, and for PBE alone. So of course, if you don't have a PBE account, you'll have to go into your browser and just simply type create a PBE account League of Legends, and of course you can just go and create your account from here, from this first link. Once you create your account, just log into it in this right account, then go into PBE and open League of Legends, and you will be able to play TFT PBE from there. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.